How do you use Slmgr to manage Windows activation? Imagine being able to control your Windows activation right from the command line. That's where Slmgr, or Software Licensing Management Tool, comes into play. It's a built-in Windows utility that helps you handle licensing tasks easily. Whether you want to check if your Windows is activated or change your product key, Slmgr can do it all. It's especially useful if your graphical interface isn't working properly or you prefer command line control. To get started, you need to open the command prompt as an administrator. This is important because some commands requiring elevated privileges to run. Once you have the command prompt open, you can type in various Slmgr commands to manage your Windows license. For example, if you want to see whether your Windows is permanently activated or if activation will expire soon, you type slmgr/xbr. This command will tell you if your Windows license is active forever or if it's set to expire on a certain date. If you want to see more detailed license information, you can type slmgr/dlv. This gives you a lot of details like your Windows version, your activation ID, and how many times you can reset the activation timer. For a quick look at basic license info, use slmgr-dli. It shows your partial product key, license status, and activation type. Changing your product key is simple with slmgr-ipk followed by your new key. For example, slmgr-ipk xxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxxActivate online by typing slmgr-8heo. This command attempts to activate Windows immediately using the internet. If you need to uninstall your current product key, you can type slmgr-upk. This removes the key and deactivates Windows until you install a new one. Sometimes, you might want to reset the activation timer to extend your grace period. You do this with slmgr-rearm. It resets the activation countdown, giving you more time before activation is required again. In enterprise environments, Slmgr can also be used to specify the key management service server with slmgr/skms followed by the server address. This is helpful for organizations using volume licensing and KMS activation. Using Slmgr is straightforward once you get familiar with the commands. It's a powerful tool for managing Windows licenses, especially when you need to troubleshoot activation issues or perform bulk license management. Remember, always run the command prompt as an administrator and double-check your commands before executing them. This way, you can keep your Windows properly activated and avoid licensing problems.